Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. I got a really special one today. This one has been lightly renovated. It is in an amazing neighborhood, and I believe the price is pretty good, actually. So we're going to take a walk around here. So as I said, it's been lightly renovated. As you can see, if you wanted to do a full renovation, you could do that also. You could actually combine, let's go back here. You could combine these two rooms here and make a big master bedroom. So this is one of the guest bedrooms right here. Okay. And just a disclaimer, no elevator in here, but it's on the third floor, so not too hard to walk up a couple floors. But again, you've got a really nice unit here. Okay. And then here would be the principal or master. Okay. And again, I said it's in a great neighborhood. It's in one of my top neighborhoods. Number 3 position. This is in Las Lomas 1. So really close to Interplaza. The Energy Building just below the hill is La Linde. Really nice neighborhood. Okay. And again, as you can see, it's already been lightly renovated. A small rain shower. So it actually is technically a 3-bedroom. Back here, actually, it's actually a 4-bedroom if you count the maid's room. This is a small office, so it could be 4 bedrooms. Or what I would do is probably combine the master with the other one and the washroom. But again, it's been lightly renovated. It's turnkey already. But I'm sure a lot of the people we work with would want to do their own renovation on this one. But really nice footprint. As you can see, go back here. Again, he's done a really nice job with the kitchen here. And price that I'll put in the end screen, everything is included. So you can buy the furniture. Again, it's turnkey. He's actually had it rented out monthly. So it could be a monthly rental. Okay, and here's the back service quarters, as you can see. And again, more space back here and another washroom. So there's a lot you could do with this unit here. Your shower back here. It's actually a nice size shower, actually. Okay. Take another look here. Again, the service quarters, if you combine this whole area right here, is actually easily another bedroom. Okay, so let's take one last look at the apartment here. Again, this apartment is in Las Lomas 1. Really good location. Really nice residential area here. Okay. Again, really nice footprint here. I believe it's over 100 meters. I'll put all the specifications at the end screen. We'll take one last look here. has 3 washrooms. And again, you've got your office here, your guest bedroom here, and then your master bedroom right here. All really nice footprints. And again, if this was me, I would probably combine these 2 here into one big master bedroom. So let's take a look out back here. And really nice area here. And around here, this is actually one of the older buildings. Everything else has been renovated and new buildings around here. So again, if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to put them in the comment section. And as always, I will put all the information at the end screen. So if you're interested in this apartment, you can contact us at expatcrib.com. We will have the link in the description and the name of the apartment that you can quote. And again, very good price point on this one. I believe he's asking $760. Again, I'll put it in the description. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.